story begins with a hard-working student pouring their soul into a report.
Finally, the perfect paragraph about climate change. Wait! No! I deleted it. My research is gone.
Fear not, I'm Control Z, I'm the hero. I've got your back.
You're a lifesaver, Z.
I undo disaster, one keystroke at a time.
Meanwhile, on other desk, an equally focused student is working without saving.
This essay is going to win awards. Who need to save when you are a goal? What? The screen. It froze. No!
Did someone forget to save? I'm Control S, your friendly neighbor file protector. Just one press. And your progress is safe forever.
You're right. I will save every 5 minutes from now on.
Autosave is cool too, but I like the personal touch.
Somewhere else in the tech world, two mischief makers are on the move.
Copying, copied, and copying again. Paste, paste, paste. Let's duplicate this one. We multiply your work without multiplying your effort. It's not cheating, it's shortcutting.
Together, they are the Keyboard Shortcut Squad.
Control Z.
Control S.
Control V.
Control C.
Saving your day, one keystroke at a time.